we are going to take a look at print and echo statement. Let me copy this. Actually, let me duplicate it and name it tutorial 3. And don't worry, you can get all the source code. I'll add the link of all the source code from the description. Let's get rid of all of this about variable. Okay, here now save it and reload the page. You can see nothing is showing. You need to go to tutorial3.php. Nothing is showing. To display anything or any text in PHP, either you need to use print or echo. More or less both of them are same, but in some cases those two work differently. Usually both of them used to display text on the screen. So let's try it out. Echo first. Echo. In echo you don't have any return statement, and in print you have return statement of on. You don't need to know anything about return statement. I'll explain when I'll explain about functions, then I'll explain what return statement is. For now, just see how to echo something. For example, you want to echo some variables. Let's write the variable name. Let's write the player number. For example, echo player number. Okay, don't forget about semicolon, it will break the line from here. Okay, you see player number is 10. Echo player name. Once again reload the page, it will echo name of the player. For example, you want to echo some HTML. Let's echo this. We can also echo HTML in between these two quotation mark. We can write HTML. For example, ASR tag. If you know little bit of HTML, you know what this ASR tag for. This is for adding a horizontal line. Save it and reload the page. You see it has added a horizontal line. Now let's try it out with comma. This time I am going to use this double boolean and null value. Echo, we can use comma to separate all the value and print it with one echo statement. Playing time, comma, PSG on UCL, comma, player club, and semicolon. Save it and reload the page. You see this is the value. Actually, let me ASR it once again. Ctrl Shift D, and below this player name, let's add this line once again. Save it so it will be little bit easier to read. You see it's showing 61.34. This 61.34 means displaying time, and PSG on UCL, this is it's returning as condition. Let's get rid of it. Player club. This player club is PSG. You see, you can see the player club. Okay, the another way is showing all of them by using concatenation. Let's do some concatenation. Echo player name, player name. We can concatenate by using dot. Player name would be player name. Okay. Next, once again concatenate with this dot, and this would be a double quotation mark to write any string. Player number, and add some space so it will look more beautiful. Player number. Okay, let's check it out. Before that, let me add a horizontal line and reload the page. You see player name is Neymar JR and player number is 10. Okay, that means it is concatenating successfully. This is how echo works. Let's try it out. Print. In print we can use curly braces. Okay, player name. Once again add a ASR. Actually add two ASR. Save it and reload the page. Player name is Neymar JR. We can do the same concatenation with print without any parentheses. Here we don't need any parentheses, just write print, save it, and once again reload the page. You see it is showing player name Neymar JR, player number 10. Okay, let's add a ASR in here. Okay, in here in print, let's try it out. Print, let's try it out some HTML. A is 2 tag, A is 2. This is header 2 semicolon. Let's see what happened. You see this is header 2 and this is h2 tag. Right click and inspect. Once you inspect, you see this is h2 and inside this h2 we have this is header 2. Okay, that means HTML also can be printed by using this print statement.